guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to bring this video inspired by My Cart Runneth Over. I saw on her camping prep video that she was using totes on wheels to help maneuver and bring things, and that way she don't have to carry everything and make it easier on her. But I will say this, ladies, and I understand that because over a year ago, before I started working out, I did things so that it would be easier for me to move things around. It was heavy things such as this tote behind me. These things are heavy, and I found it difficult for me to pick things up and move it around. So I wanted things on wheels, and I get that. I have adult sons, but that doesn't mean they're always readily available to help me out. And so I would encourage any single woman to do weightlifting, weight training, resistance training. Cardio is good, but we definitely need to build some muscles, guys. Now, doesn't mean we build muscles and we don't have to make things easy. Making things easy is always a great thing. So with that being said, this is what I did. So I went ahead and I purchased these totes. I believe she got hers from Home Depot. I went on Amazon, and these are Sterilite, I think 40-gallon totes, and they come on wheels. So these are pretty big, and they have wheels, and they have a handle. So these click on, and it's pretty roomy on the inside. Nice and roomy, guys. Also, they stack on top of each other, like that. And you can grab the bottom one and pull them both along. So yes, it makes it really nice and easy, everyone. You can also do it this way. So in the event that you have to, if you can't stack them, you can go ahead and pull both of them at the same time. Thank you, My Cart Runneth Over, for that nifty idea. Never thought about putting my emergency gear or camping gear in a tote, making it easier for me to, carry around. Although I can carry pretty heavy things now that I've been working out, but why should I have to when I can put it on wheels, right? So thanks again for watching my video. If you haven't already, please leave a comment, leave me some love, and I will see you on the next video. Bye now.